Do you know we're Intuit, the financial software company that makes such hits like QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Enterprise and terrible, you get the point. Do you know where they get their name from? Because I don't either. I don't. It's not online anywhere I looked. Okay, so let's talk financials, but first, let's get that out of the way. There are plenty of QuickBooks options out there for your business, whether it's enterprise or desktop or other variations, but today the focus is mostly going to be on QuickBooks Online, so stay with me. So what makes QuickBooks Online different? Obviously, it's right there in the name. QuickBooks Online, meaning if you have access to the internet, boom, you got access to your financial information, which is definitely pretty handy. QuickBooks Online definitely represents a dramatic shift by Intuit in focusing on the online option, that software as a solution that we are seeing pop up everywhere. So the question should be, why should your business use QuickBooks Online? Let's go through a few points. First, access it, as we've already discussed. Wherever you're at, if you have internet access, you can get access to your financials. So you're not burdened with being at the office all the time so that you can check what the numbers are. There's also the scalability of QuickBooks Online. So if it's just, you're just a 3 or 4 person team, you can keep your requirements low, but if you're a business that is growing, QuickBooks Online can grow and scale with that, which is really nice. And then you pay for what you need depending on what your requirements are. A big one that is coming with a lot of these SaaS solutions is future-proofing. And what that means is that there's constant maintenance, constant upkeep and updating happening in the software. So a good example that I will use on the Fishbowl side of things is every year we release a major update, but we're also releasing updates throughout the year. Now we have some customers that when they purchase from us, let's say it was 3 years ago, they have that software forever, but they also don't have part of the newer updates that we continue to apply to our solution. And if they need something changed or something doesn't quite work with one of their new integrations, it's not all connecting because we have the newer version that has the most updates. And so that's what's nice about some of these SaaS solutions is you are getting the constant update, the constant best of that version of that solution. And then finally, I want to talk about integrations. This is where you can really make your financial software your own, meaning it integrates with whatever other types of solutions that you might need, whether it's something for shipping, parts for manufacturing, inventory software. Works great, just saying. All these available integrations are what allow you to customize and format your solution to fit your business specifically. So you're not just trying to do this hodgepodge of like, I got to jump into this software and this software, and then, I'm not sure what's going on in between them to make my company run. They can all kind of come into a central hub and be communicating with each other, which is going to save you time. It's going to save you money because there's going to be less error and less trying to sort out what each one's doing. They're all speaking to each other, which is really nice. Now, if you have questions about QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online, you're in luck. I know just who you should talk to. Her name is KACIE, and she knows all about QuickBooks solutions and can help you figure out which solution is right for you and your business. I'm going to put her information in the link below. And now you can ask questions about what solution is right for you, how it'll work, and if you tell them I sent you, you get a discount. Okay, so bottom line, QuickBooks Online and a lot of other SaaS solutions is a great way for your business to be ready to grow when it needs to grow and to scale according to whatever your demands are, while also fitting into the host of solutions that are available out there through integrations. Give my friend KACIE a call down below. Check out what solution works best for you with QuickBooks, and let's get this party started. Does anyone say that about financials? I don't know. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.